banks. Financials are struggling through the morning session and prompting the drop. As I mentioned, S&P cutting its credit ratings on banks in the U.S., including Wells Fargo and KeyCorp. Courtney Donahoe is tracking that story for us this morning. Courtney?
Hey there, Mark. Well, financials so far the worst performer in this early session of the 10 benchmark sectors. Now take a look at the KBW Bank Index. It's definitely taking a hit today. That index consisting of 24 financial institutions. All 24 names are now lower in this session. S&P downgrading or revising its outlook on 22 banks here in the U.S. on a couple of factors. Credit analyst Rodrigo Quintanilla said that after their industry review and their recent criteria on the stress testing, he concludes that the banking industry may face losses that may grow beyond current expectations. He also said that stress test points to more pain in the future. There's operating conditions that will be less favorable than they were in the past, and that there will be increased market volatility during credit cycles. Plus, S&P also sees a tighter regulatory supervision. Quintanilla said financial institutions are shedding risk and altering strategies for the new reality in the marketplace. And he said such a transition justifies lower ratings as these players implement changes. A lot of the regional banks making the list. Some of the companies that were downgraded by S&P include Capital One, BB&T, Regions Financial, and U.S. Bancorp. U.S. Bancorp also saying today that it will repay $6.6 billion of TARP funds. And S&P cut 5 companies' credit ratings to junk. S&P lowered Carolina First Bank, Citizens Republic, Huntington Bancshares, Synovus, and Whitney. Sending it back to you, Carol.
All right, and as you said, Courtney, they're all lower in today's trade. Courtney, thanks so much.